Hey everyone, welcome to Techvid AI, where the future learns to speak.
Hills aren't just land, they're peace, beauty, and silence wrapped in nature's arms.
Did you know that the first paper money was created over 1,000 years ago in China? And today, over 90% of money exists only digitally?
Are you ready to create ultra-realistic AI UGC avatars that can completely transform your content creation, marketing, and YouTube game? In addition, I'll be showing you how to create amazing pet and cartoon-style avatars using the powerful Topview AI Avatar 4, a tool that takes your creativity to the next level. Then make sure you watch this video till the end, because in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to design stunning, lifelike AI avatars that look real and deliver professional results, perfect for your videos, brand promotions, or digital storytelling. All right, let's dive in. First, head over to the search bar and type Topview AI. Click on the first website that appears, or simply use the direct link in the description to access it instantly. Once the site loads, you'll be greeted with an interface that looks just like this. To get started, click the Sign In button located on the right-hand side. You'll then see the Sign In options, where you can securely log in using your Google account, Apple account, or email. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be brought to the main interface. Here, select Try Avatar 4 to open the Creation panel, where you can effortlessly design your own AI UGC avatar and bring your content to life. Let's begin by creating a realistic UGC avatar video, complete with natural voice and accurate lip sync, using these pre-made templates. You'll find a variety of options here, available in both 9:16 format for shorts and 16:9 format for long videos. For this demonstration, I'll go with the 16:9 template. Once the template is selected, look to the Avatar Details panel on the right. You'll notice that the system has automatically assigned a voice perfectly suited for this avatar. Now, in the text box above, simply paste or type your script, whatever you'd like your avatar to say. Keep in mind, the script should be under 2 minutes, as the tool currently supports videos up to 2 minutes duration. Perfect. After adding your script, the platform will automatically generate the voice. Let's give it a few seconds to process. And there we go. The voice is ready. Let's play it back.
Hey, did you know artificial intelligence is already part of your life? From recommending music to creating art, it's like having a superpower in your pocket. Explore artificial intelligence, and who knows, you might even create one like me.
It sounds crisp, clear, and highly natural. Absolutely perfect for a UGC avatar. Next, in the motion settings below, you can add custom gestures and expressions to make your avatar feel more alive. This step is optional, but I'll add a simple cue. He's speaking confidently, with a subtle smile on his face. Now, just click Generate, and once the rendering is complete, hit Export. Your video will appear in the My Projects section. The processing may take a couple of minutes, so let's wait. And it's done. Let's take a look.
Hey, did you know artificial intelligence is already part of your life? From recommending music to creating art, it's like having a superpower in your pocket. Explore artificial intelligence, and who knows, you might even create one like me.
The results are impressive. The voice and lip sync are perfectly aligned, the visuals look realistic, and the video quality is top-notch. All right, now that our UGC avatar is complete, let's take it a step further. Next, I'll show you how to create a pet avatar. Let's return to the previous interface. Earlier, I demonstrated how to create an avatar using pre-made templates. Now let's take it a step further. I'll show you how to create an AI avatar from an image. Now I'll make a cat avatar from an image. To begin, click on Create Your Avatar and upload your chosen image. Once it's uploaded, head over to the AI voice section to select a voice for your avatar. You'll find a wide range of options. I'll choose this one for now. After selecting the voice, click Confirm to proceed. Next, type or paste your script into the box at the top. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate your avatar's voice automatically. You can also add subtitles or custom motions if you'd like. These features are completely optional, but can make your video more dynamic. Once you're ready, click Generate, and after processing, select Export. Your completed avatar will then be saved in the project section. The rendering may take a few minutes. While that's being created, let's quickly make a cartoon avatar using the same process. Upload the image, choose a voice, add your script, and let the AI generate the voice. Then, click Generate followed by Export. In just a few moments, both avatars will be ready. Let's play them one by one.
Ever wondered why cats act like royalty? Because in their world, we work for them.
Faster than a lightning bolt and cooler than ever, it's Superman saving the world in style. Faster than a lightning bolt and cooler than ever, it's Superman saving the world in style.
As you can see, the results are incredible. The lip sync is perfectly aligned with the voice, the emotions feel lifelike, and the overall video quality is impressive. Now that we've seen both in action, it's time to move on to the next step, creating a hyper-realistic AI avatar directly from an image. Alright, let's head back to the main interface. First, you need to upload your image. Once it's uploaded, move on to the voice selection. I'll go ahead and choose this one. Next, simply add your script, and within a few seconds, your AI-generated voice will be ready. After the voice is created, I'll enhance the output by adding a few custom motions for better expression and realism. A gentle smile graces his face as he speaks with calm, assured confidence. Once that's done, click on Generate, then hit Export, and just wait a few minutes for your video to render. Now let's play the final result.
Artificial intelligence isn't science fiction anymore, it's new reality. From creating human-like avatars to generating entire worlds with a single prompt, this is the revolution that is changing everything. Welcome to the future, powered by artificial intelligence.
And as you can see, it looks fantastic. The lip sync is perfectly aligned, the voice is natural, and the motions flow seamlessly. Before we wrap up, here's something exciting. You can also use Topview AI to create viral UGC ads that can take your brand marketing to the next level. I've already uploaded a step-by-step tutorial on how to make powerful, high-converting UGC ads using Topview AI. You'll find the link to that video in the description below. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, tips, and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.